Hello, bonjour. Today we're going to learn the verb recevoir. Recevoir is irregular. As you know, it's translated as to receive or to get. It's very irregular because you notice that it ends with the same ending. It has the IR as an ending here, right? But when it's conjugated, it does not follow any IR pattern at all. So it's very irregular, as you're going to notice. Right now, to conjugate this verb recevoir, what we do here, we will notice that the endings will be completely different, and from the one of IR verbs. And also the second thing that we need to notice is what happening with the C, right? What happening here with the C. And you notice how the V will disappear as well for many forms of the verb except for the nous and the vous. Je reçois, tu reçois, il reçoit, right? Notice here for il that we have the IT for the il. So far, it starts just like the IR verb, right? IT. But now it's irregular because you notice here it's not recevi. The middle part of the verb changed completely. The CV is disappear here. We have a COI, right? With the CDA on the C. Now, it will be very different for the nous here. For the nous, it's nous recevons. Nous recevons. All right. So I mark the C with in red because you need to notice that the C does not have a CDA under it. Okay, it doesn't have the CCD. A CD is not there. For vous, it's going to be vous recevez. Vous recevez. Vous recevez. And then for il, ils reçoivent. You notice it's completely very irregular here. And then the past participle of this verb is reçu. Okay, is reçu and is conjugated with the helping verb avoir. For example, if you want to say I received my friends yesterday, you're going to say j'ai reçu mes amis hier. J'ai reçu mes amis hier. And it's very important that you still continue to practice your verb avoir and être, because for passé composé, we always gonna either use avoir or être as the helping verb. Now let's go ahead and practice, right? So here we have some items that people received, and all we got to do here is to tell what each person is receiving, right? So because we're talking about the present tense, dites c'est que tout le monde reçoit. All right, so let's look at number one. Okay, we're going to use the form of je, the je form of the verb recevoir. What is this item? Je reçois une carte postale. Je reçois une carte postale. Je reçois une carte postale. Now let's look at number two. Number two look just like a text here. Okay, we know text in French is SMS. So we're going to say Lucie reçoit un SMS. Lucie reçoit un SMS. SMS, right? Let's look at number three. Mes grands-pères, my grandparents. So you notice here, those are newspaper, and they received two of them. So we're going to use the plural form of a newspaper, journaux. Okay? We're going to say mes grands-parents reçoivent. The verb here is conjugated according to the subject here. The subject is plural, so we're going to use the plural form, the they form of recevoir. So mes grands-parents reçoivent des journaux. Now let's go for tu. Tu reçois une lettre. Tu reçois une lettre. This is a letter, okay? You notice it starts with cher Dominique and it ends bisous by bisous Charlotte. So tu reçois une lettre. Let's go for number five. Number five, maman et moi, nous. Okay, maman et moi, nous. It's going to be nous recevons un paquet. Nous recevons un paquet. nous recevons un paquet. Let's go for number 6 here. It's Madeleine et toi. Okay, Madeleine et toi. Vous. Okay, we're going to use here the vous form of recevoir. Madeleine et toi, vous recevez un message. Madeleine et toi, vous recevez un message. All right. So thank you for joining us today, and take care and see you next time. Bye bye.